Hey guys, it's me Seana back with another video, and I'm doing a cooking video making some extra crispy hot wings. And this is gonna be a drunk cooking video, and we're making wings, and these are raw wings. I just thawed them. Alright, so today we're making hot wings, and they're gonna be extra crispy, and these are them when they're raw. Okay, so of course you need some raw chicken wings and some seasonings, duh. And then, oh yeah, you can make the sauce. You need butter and hot sauce. And then I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce in it, and this cayenne pepper, and probably some other random seasonings, okay? Alright, so look here, bitches. The first thing you do Alright, so the first thing you do, this is what black people do actually. You have to season the chicken. And I'm putting some garlic sea salt in it first. Okay? You can't just start cooking the chicken without seasoning. That's like, duh. And then, oh yeah, I put some onion powder in it and some Italian seasoning. And oh yeah, some garlic powder. And put a lot of it if you didn't marinate it first. Then eat some extra seasonings. And yeah, some pepper. Oh, and some of this Creole seasoning. Or you can just use seasoned salt, but not a lot of salt or you'll die. And then mix it up. And then the season has to get spread evenly. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so then the next thing you have to do is get the grease hot to medium. Oh yeah, so this is some recycled grease. I used it for some french fries too. And yeah, so pour that into the pan. It doesn't have to really be a lot, because I'm going to turn the chicken wings over. And then, yeah, once you put the wings in, the grease might splatter in your face and burn you and everything, but that's okay, that's what happens. So it'd be a good idea if you have some tongs like this, because then you can just pick the chicken up and put it in there. After you put it in there, you should probably jump back, because in case it splashes in your face. And then wait a second before you put the next one in, because then it might start popping too much.
Got so many kicks inside my closet, foot locker, thought that I was stealing. Nah, dog, I ain't steal that, but I paid for it with cash. Your favorite stripper got the same whip, but she paid for it with ass. That there is an oxymoron.
So let the wings cook for about 20 minutes, and until you don't see any more blood coming out. And they'll probably start smelling extra crispy. You can smell them.
When I hit the town, everybody got blessed for me. My agent just called. She said she got no check for me. That's us. Raw luxury. Hold up, wait. Where the fuck are my keys?
See, the grease is splattering everywhere. All over the wall. All over the stove. I got a drink. So about halfway through, start turning them over, and they're going crispy like that. And just let that side cook for about another 10 minutes or so. Use another eye and turn the stove on to a really, really low heat. Like super low. And then start scooping a big chunk of butter in it. so I use that much. It looks like a lot, but it's gonna be in the mixture of all the sauces. We need some red hot sauce, the Frank's red hot sauce, because it's the best one. And pour as much in there as you want. And I'm gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce in it, but not a lot, because I want it more like hot sauce. Alright, I gotta check on the wings. They're looking very crispy, so I have to make sure they're cooked through. So take one of the juicy ones. Alright, the wings are done. They're looking really crispy, so I'm gonna take them out and put them on a napkin on this plate with a paper towel on it.
It's the way that she moves, the way she looks at you. And you know she's yours, you know she's all for you. Cause she's a money maker, money maker, money maker, heartbreaker, money maker, money maker, money maker.
Probably too much. Put some other seasonings. Italian seasoning. A little bit of pepper. And some garlic powder. So you gotta keep tasting it to see if it's hot enough. And if it's not hot enough, then add more hot sauce and maybe some more cayenne pepper. And if it's not mild enough, then you gotta add more butter. So once the sauce is done, then you just add the wings into the pan with the sauce and let the sauce cook onto it for a little bit.
Go get that money, girl. Come and get that money. 'Cause she's a money maker.
And then mix it all up into the sauce. Maybe turn the heat up just a tiny bit more. And get the sauce all the way through it.
It's unbelievable. I find myself in every time.
While the wings are soaking up the sauce, I'm gonna put up a little bit of celery real quick. And just made some fries to go with them. Alright, so now the wings are ready to serve.
Them wings flap in the air. Free bird in the skin it. Every ninja wanna skin it. Got her own baby kidney. You
Pour a little bit more sauce over.
call her name. The club get loose. I'm about to go broke tonight, messing with you. When she on stage, she make it look like Scrooge McDuck, swimming in dollar bills.
So yeah, that's how you make extra crispy hot wings late night when you're drunk. Okay, alright, so yeah, that's how you make extra crispy hot wings just like that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Kick your ass. Alright, so that's it. Bye. Peace.
Bitches bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.